Hi friends, today I am going to tell about file reading and writing methods. First, I am going to create an empty file. So, go to the Python terminal. For creating an empty file, type the command file object equal open. Here you have to write the name of the file. This is the mode, write mode. This will create an empty file. Next, close the file. Okay. This is the file that we created. Look, this is an empty file. Okay. Next, I am going to write something to this file. For that, we have to once again open the file. File object equal open. Name of the file. Type the mode, write mode. Okay. Then write something. Then file object dot write okay, close the file. Fw dot okay. Here now you can see hi friends. Okay. Next, I am going to read the content from that file and write it into the console. Okay. Open the file. File name and the mode, read mode. Okay. For dot read. Okay. Sorry. We have to store the content from that file to a variable. Okay. Then print that content. Here you can see the content of that file. Then close the file. Okay. In this way, we can create an empty file, write the content to the file, read the content from that file. Okay. Thank you.